my onion breath is going to be knocking over somebody beside me when I eat this Greek salad. I got you covered. Don't back off and think, oh, that's too much onion in there. I don't want to have that much. I don't like that much onion. Or maybe you have people that don't like a lot of onion, whatever. Don't go with a small red onion or don't go with a half an onion. No, you're going to lose on presentation. Look at the color. You are getting purple and white in the presentation of this Greek salad. They call it a red onion. I don't know why, because it's not. It's a purple onion. If you don't like a lot of onion, here's what I want you to do. Get like a wire mesh strainer and take your onions and put them in there and run them under the tap for about 30 seconds to a minute under the water, right? And squish them all around. And what's going to happen is you're going to wash away some of that onion flavor. And then you're going to sit there and let this drain a lot because we don't want to add flavorless water to our salad either, right? So rinse away. All those nice fresh cut juices coming off the onion will go through. You'll still have some onion flavor intact because obviously you have big chunks here. It's in the flesh, right? But it won't be as potent, but yet you're capitalizing on that complete presentation of using that 100% onion. If you're really concerned about the water, the other thing you could do as well is put a couple layers of paper towel down. And after you've shaken it on the with the wire mesh strainer, dump it out on the paper towel and just sort of blot it dry and then add it to your Greek salad. You could do that as well if you haven't got time to wait for these things to drain completely, right? And again, you don't want to be adding all that excess, that flavorless water to your salad dressing that you're working so hard to make, or your salad rather.